As President Obama marks his 100th day in office, we want to take a look at what exactly the next 1 days are going to bring. A new CNBC or NBC Wall Street Journal poll shows that 38% of Americans the economy will improve in the next 12 months. So what are stocks and making money here in the next 100 days? For the Bulls, we have David Harvey, Chief Market Strategist in Sales. And for the Bears, Leiden, editor of EFTrends.com. Welcome to you both, John.
Morning.
Tom, I'm going to start you. You're the Bear. They have to be getting pretty lonely these days and a little bit frustrating.
Well, the idea is you don't have to be bearish on everything. There are, as we know, some mustard seeds out there, and you have to pick your spots, go with strengths. And there are areas like China, like value retailers, like technology, really been doing well for the first time in a long time.
It's Harvey. It is interesting to me. This market knows full well that Arlen Specht converting to Democrat is going to put things to the left. But stocks are falling anyway this morning because they're focused on the economy, and the economy does look better. Even the Wall Street Journal poll looks better. So, Dave, heck, let's just ignore Washington, buy some stocks. Is that the deal?
If you're a longer-term investor, you realize that even though the market has rallied 30% off the lows, we've only retraced 20% of getting back to the top of the mountain of this previous bear market. Having said that, valuation looks very compelling to investors. There's a mountain cash on the sidelines that's coming back to stocks. And as you mentioned, the emotional news on many companies is starting to get better, and that's all important to the long-term investor.
Okay, but we've seen, some success for the markets over the last 100 days, really since the beginning of March. So, Tom, with that in mind, do you fear at all that all the upside is already there and that we just go sideways for a while?
Well, that may be the case, Trish, but the idea is avoid the areas that may continue to have holes down the road.
Okay, so what are the areas?
Like financials, like home builders, like autos. Those areas that are having trouble or can continue to have trouble down the road. As investors, we don't have to be buying.
And how much might that weigh on the market?
We got to get out. I'm sorry.
Well, continue. It will continue.
We got to get out. You're saying sell into the rally. Dave Sowerby, you want to sell into the rally or you want to stay with it for a while? Real fast.
I want to stay with it. Sure, we're in a seasonal period where stocks go perhaps a sideways pattern, but so many companies are very attractive on a valuation basis, Larry. Left for dead consumer stocks and tech stocks in particular.
Okay, I apologize for the shortness of time.